Soaring above the heart of Baao Independent City, the drone captures a stunning view of the Baao Spillway. This is me, Ma'am Shai Vlog, and I will be touring you around. A graceful blend of nature and human craftsmanship. From this aerial perspective, the spillway stretches like a silver pathway where rushing waters flow gently over smooth concrete, connecting fields, rivers, and the vibrant life of the community. Surrounded by lush greenery and peaceful countryside scenery, the Baao Spillway stands as both a functional structure and a quiet landmark of the rural beauty. As the drone glides higher, the spillway reveals its harmony with the landscape, a tranquil rhythm of water, light, and life. It's more than just an engineering feat. It's a serene reminder of how people and nature coexist in the timeless charm of Baao, the Pidan city. From high above the peaceful community of Baao, the drone's lenses captures the mesmerizing beauty of the spillway, a striking meeting point of nature and human ingenuity. As the drone glides effortlessly through the sky, the spillway reveals itself like a silver ribbon flowing through emerald fields. Its waters glistening under the warm kiss of the sun. The gentle rush of water blends with the distant hum of rural life, painting a perfect picture of calm and harmony. The Baao Spillway serves not only as an essential passage for flowing waters, but also a scenic symbol of connection between people, land, and nature's enduring rhythm. From this aerial perspective, every ripple tells a story of resilience, simplicity, and the timeless beauty found in everyday places. Captured through the eyes of a drone, the Baao Spillway transforms from a humble structure into a breathtaking landscape, a serene masterpiece that reflects the heart and soul of the Pitan's natural wonder. Surrounded by lush greenery and framed by the gentle rhythm of the rural life. From the skies above, the drone captures the stunning elegance of Baao Spillway, where the artistry of nature meets the touch of human creation. The water flows gracefully over the smooth concrete, reflecting the golden sunlight as they wind through the vibrant countryside. From the aerial view, the spillway becomes more than just a structure. It's a living part of the landscape, steady, serene, and full of quiet beauty. Baao Spillway tells a story of balance, a harmony between progress and preservation. Seen from above, it transforms into a breathtaking scene of movement and stillness, a reminder that even in the simplest corners of the city, there lies a hidden masterpiece waiting to be discovered.
Sol y arena, oh so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real.